Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Make sure your Azure EOT Hub and device provisioning service are configured and you have admin roles. Next, download the verified module package and confirm OS/kernel compatibility so installation won't fail. Once done, prepare a test device, either a VM or physical host, with network access and permission to pull images from the container registry. Finally, set environment variables and credentials. These let you authenticate to Azure and to your container registry before installation proceeds. Now you move into the installation and configuration stage. Pull the verified module image and immediately verify its checksum so integrity is guaranteed. Then tag and push to your registry if required. Deploy the module using an EOT Edge deployment manifest or an ARM template to ensure repeatability. This also lets you inject desired settings. Once deployed, map persistent volumes, add environment variables for runtime configuration, and configure networking and security policies so the module can communicate securely with EOT Hub and other services. Finish by validating, rolling out, and preparing a key troubleshooting tip. First, inspect module logs, metrics, and twin-reported properties to confirm proper startup and behavior. Then, roll out gradually. Use staged deployment to a subset of devices and monitor telemetry and health metrics. Make sure to automate retries and alerting so issues are caught early. If something goes wrong, the most common fixes are rechecking registry authentication, verifying the image checksum, and confirming network or firewall rules aren't blocking container pulls or EOT Hub endpoints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.